Stop scrolling. This is the 6-minute video your future self will high-five you for. If you love someone who wants freedom from paychecks, like and share this video with them now. It might change their life. Ready? Let's unpack Warren Buffett's proven blueprint. 7 steps that, when followed with discipline, can put you on the path to financial freedom before 50. Warren Buffett calls compounding the 8th wonder of the world. He's built a fortune not on luck, but on simple rules: frugality, patience, low costs, and knowing what you own. Today, I'll translate Buffett's big ideas into a practical, step-by-step plan you can use starting this month. All advice is grounded in Buffett's own letters and interviews, and I'll link sources in the description. In the next 6 minutes you'll get 7 clear steps, an action checklist, what to avoid, and video/visual ideas so you can make your own high-value content or just follow the plan yourself. Step 1: Pay yourself first. Save aggressively. Buffett emphasizes the power of saving early. Spend less than you earn and direct the difference into investments. Automate savings so you never decide to skip it. Why it matters. Money you invest early gets the longest time to compound. Step 2: Use low-cost index funds. Buffett repeatedly recommends low-fee index funds for most investors, especially if you're not a professional stock selector. Fees are silent wealth eaters. Step 3: Think long-term. Let compounding work. Buffett's core move is buy and hold. Don't trade based on headlines. The real profit comes from decades of compounding, not quick flips. Step 4: Stay in your circle of competence. Only invest in businesses you understand. Risk is not volatility, Buffett says. It's not knowing what you own. Use what you know: your industry, real brands, simple balance sheets. Step 5: Avoid high-interest debt and keep a margin of safety. Debt and leverage can wipe out years of progress. Buffett warns, don't expose yourself to catastrophic risks. Keep a margin of safety and don't bet the house. Step 6: Reinvest profits and be patient. Reinvest dividends and gains. Don't cash out early. Patience often beats brilliance. Buffett's best moves were patience and reinvesting profits into high-quality businesses. Step 7: Protect reputation and keep learning. Buffett says reputation takes decades to build and minutes to ruin. Integrity compounds too. Read widely. Make better decisions by staying curious. Actionable 6-month sprint: automate 20 to 30% savings, or as high as you can. Move new savings to a low-cost total market index fund. Eliminate any greater than 10% APR debt. Focus on highest rate first. Read one finance/investment book every 2 months. Revisit allocation annually. Stay the course. Common mistakes to avoid: chasing hot tips. Letting fees eat returns. Using leverage for get-rich-quick. Treating investing like gambling. These are exactly the behaviors Buffett warns against. Warren Buffett didn't build wealth by chasing trends. He built it by doing a few things extremely well for a long time. Start small, be consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you apply these 7 steps, financial freedom before 50 moves from a dream to a plan. If this helped, like, subscribe, and share with someone who needs it. Want a printable 1-page checklist and a 12-month action calendar? Click the link in the description. Tell me in the comments, which step will you start today?